Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today's opportunity are actually very solid for backend developers. We have one fully remote backend developer role with around 10 plus LPA package, and another one is an exciting SDE internship from a fintech startup. In this video, I will cover everything, so make sure to watch till end because both opportunities are fresher friendly and the second company is working on products used by real businesses across India and Singapore. Let's start with the first company. The first company is Cyreton and they are hiring for the role of Junior Backend Engineer. This is a full-time remote opportunity and candidates from anywhere can apply. The salary for this role is between 8 to 12 LPA, which is honestly very impressive for a junior backend role. Now talking about the experience requirement, they are looking for candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience, so freshers and early career developers are eligible. For education, the company has not mentioned any strict degree requirement. They are mainly looking for candidates with strong backend skills and good project experience. Coming to the role, you will be working on backend systems, APIs, databases, and scalable server side application. You will also contribute to system improvements and cloud based backend infrastructure. The skills required include Node.js, Python, Go, REST APIs, SQL, NoSQL, Git, and backend development fundamentals. If you have already built projects using APIs or databases, this role can be a great fit. Your responsibilities here include writing clean backend code, designing database schemas, building APIs, optimizing queries, and participating in collaborative engineer workflows. You will also work on CI/CD practices and scalable backend services. One good thing about this opportunity is the remote first culture. The company offers flexible work schedules and exposure to modern technologies. So, if you enjoy backend engineering and want real world experience in a scalable systems, definitely check this one out. And moving to the second opportunity, the company is Decentro and they are hiring for the role of SDE intern. This is a fintech infrastructure startup backed by Y Combinator and they work on API related to banking, payments, identity verification and lending systems. This internship offers a stipend between 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. The role is available in Bangalore urban with both remote and on-site flexibility. No prior experience is required, so freshers and students can apply. For education, the company has not mentioned a strict degree requirement. They are mainly looking for candidates with strong backend fundamentals and interested in fintech infrastructure. Now, this internship is actually very interesting because you will be working on real banking APIs and secure financial systems used by businesses. The skills required here include Python, Flask, REST APIs, AWS, Git, CI/CD concept, and database design. So, if you have backend projects using Python or Flask, this internship can give you a strong industry exposure. In this role, you will design and develop banking API modules, work on secure financial integration, build scalable backend systems, and contribute to deployment workflows. You will also collaborate with engineering teams on infrastructure and backend architecture. One of the biggest highlight here is the exposure to real fintech systems. The company mentions that they process billions in payment volumes and work with customers across India and Singapore. So the learning opportunity here is genuinely huge. They also provide a flexible work culture, mentorship, exposure to secure fintech architecture, and the chance to work in a fast growing startup environment. So overall, both opportunities are really good in a different ways. If you want a high paying remote opportunity, then go for the Crichton as a best option. And if you want a startup exposure, go for the Decentro's SDE internship. And if you found this helpful, like the video and share it with your friends who are preparing for software engineering or backend roles. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.